Here's how a lot of them start. Hi, my name is Robert. I'm a real estate agent. I represent the county of Prince George's, Maryland. And if you have a property in Prince George's County, Maryland, I would be glad to sell it for you because that's what I do. I'm a real estate agent and I sell stuff. And so I'm kind of like, okay. If I'm timing this, and that took 10 seconds, the majority of people are going to tune out by the time you get to second number 4. Right? Maybe 3 seconds, because people really don't care about you, right? They're tuned into WeFM. What's in it for me? They want to know how it pertains to them, how you can solve the problem or the challenge that they're having. And so when we talk about video, how can you grab their attention immediately? Well, you got to hit something. You got to hit them in the belt. You got to hit them where the problem or the challenge that they're having is. And that usually lies in what we call the conflict.